2 days out from the L, so we're gonna just woke up 6:30, had a really good sleep. Now should see Dorian and do a little check-in and make the plan for the day. So we got shoulder training later, haircut actually at like 10, so it's like 6:30, 7 right now. So at 10 I got a haircut, and then Gavin actually flies in around 1 o'clock, so we're gonna go right to the gym for 1 to train, and then I have massage later. So guys, we got a full day ahead of us. Stay tuned, let's get it. Good. Really good sleep. Good. Thank you. Got my coffee there. Oh yeah.
So you look better than he actually appears. Like shit.
Huge?
No, I said you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we don't have the ring then.
Yeah. But your legs look swollen.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Crazy. Wow. Great.
Well, a lot of water, like ton. I've never drank that much water
Yeah,
in
the water
so long. Like
you piss a lot through the night. You sleep right through it all.
I pissed twice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe 3 times by the.
Great, man. Inner quad, outer quad, there's striations all. Super thin, dry skin on the side.
Yeah, take your t-shirt off maybe.
Yeah. Holy shit. That one's crazy. That glue.
This glue, yeah, fine.
What? Oh my god. That's crazy. Fucking leg, great. Face is tiny. Good.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna get the pan heating up here. So because I'm gonna show you guys what I made for breakfast at 2 days out from the Olympia. So we're gonna go for make a breakfast, and then we're gonna head out the door. I'm gonna be getting a haircut here, get the beard all cleaned up, so get it looking fresh for the stage. So first off, just came over here, cut up my 4 ounces of flat iron steak and 4 ounces of chicken breast. So I have substituted now the whole eggs for steak. Digest really well. Obviously, if you've been watching my videos already, I found out I have an allergies to eggs, so it was causing me a lot of inflammation in the body. Even like elbows and like knees, everything like was not running optimally. So as soon as I pulled that out, started to flush more water, and it's seriously been great. So that's a big change. Super happy I found that out like literally a week ago. So it's been really good. Just gonna take the zucchini here. I'll just grab a little bit of pan spray. So I'll just hit both pans real quick. Boom, boom. So I'll do about half of this. Over that. That'll be good. And then once the pan gets a little bit hotter, I'm just going to do like a quick fast fry for the meat. So just pretty much heating it up. It's already cooked, so trifecta food already comes cooked. And that's what I eat for my meat protein. Like when I'm in the States, Trifecta has got me covered there. So guys, if you do need like a good meal delivery service, check out Trifecta. And you can save using my code REGAN. So if you want to try it, they also do a lot of giveaways and stuff, like chicken breast for life, and they do like all sorts of little cool things. So check it out, and you will not be disappointed. Like I said, the flat iron steaks bomb, chicken breast. They have bison, elk, bassa, tilapia, whole eggs, vegetables, anything you can think of. So they come in these nice packages, 16-ounce, sealed tight, and they also last a lot longer too. They have all their calories on here, which is great, and everything is organic, so you can't go wrong. Ooh, sizzle, sizzling. Time for the steak. Let's go. Ooh, this steak is so good. Look at it, it's cooked perfectly. So I don't want to put it on there and dry it out. I just want to hit it with some high heat real quick, get a little crisp on the top, and then pull it off. Then we're going to add our salt. Alrighty. Quaker oats. We got the gluten-free quick oats. These are my favorite ones. I feel like they make perfect oatmeal, especially in the microwave, because I don't use a pot. So today I've got 70 grams of this for breakfast. I think we got enough in there. Let's see. Damn close. Yeah. 71. 70. Hang on. Perfect. Yep, and now what we'll do, just throw a little bit of water in there. It's all preference, guys, how you make your oats. But that's about right. I just know I can kind of guess. So I'll put that down for 2 minutes. Gonna keep an eye on it because this microwave is really powerful, and I've had things overflow twice already, and that's not gonna happen this morning. So gotta get this here. Little flip. Ooh, a little crisp. I like that. And this is going to be done. So I'm just gonna give it another just 10 seconds on that. Got a copy. Here we go. Is it just black?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna add. Just add Splenda, a little flavor. Just do one. So this is equal. This is like the American Splenda, I'm pretty sure. Same sweetener as Splenda. Do you guys prefer the blue one or the yellow one? I think the blue one has aspartame in it, so I don't really like that. Let me know which one you guys prefer. I remember when I prepped for the Japan Pro in 2019, Juan Morel, he was smashing like crazy amounts of cream of rice, and he would throw like 4 or 5 of the blue the blue equals, and it has a different taste to it. It's really good. He would throw in like almond butter and peanut butter, and he had this huge bowl of cream of rice like every 2 hours. he can eat a lot. Juan Morel can eat a lot, like carving up for a show. It's pretty cool. Okay, finished. Vegetables, meat's done. Go. Veggies. Perfect. Oh, I'm in, this is insane. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh, no. I get distracted so easily. Holy shit. I'm not recooking this, we're just gonna fix this up here.
It's been worse.
Yeah. See what we can salvage here. Bowl's freaking hot too. Burning. Okay. This is clean. We literally cleaned it like yesterday, so if it wasn't clean, I wouldn't do that. All right, so it's looking pretty good though. See how soft, like it looks like fluffy. So it's gonna continue to cook just a little bit. What we're gonna do is throw my Splendas in there. I just gotta find them actually. All right, so now we got 2 Splendas. Just break those open. Sprinkle those over top. Put that in. And we'll get cinnamon. Just organic cinnamon. Like lots of that. Perfect. Stir it up. Let's just add our salt. Our lemon salt. We're gonna have 1/4 of a teaspoon. So just take a teaspoon like that, and we're just gonna sprinkle it over top. The meat. There we go. Oh. Really happy with the check-in this morning with Dorian. I don't think I've ever seen my glutes like this. So. Alright, so we're gonna get meal 1 in, and guys, today I also get, again, 8 to 9 liters of water. So we're still continuing to water load. And it's a struggle for me to get that much water in. I never drink even close to that. I probably do like 5 liters, 4 to 5 on like a regular day. But just like actually have to, take notes. So what I'm doing to help that is getting one of these. So I fill up this here, put it in the fridge, and then that's 4 liters. So I want to try to finish that by the time I get to my workout today. So we got 3 meals, and then train, and then 3 meals after. So 4 liters throughout the 3 meals to split up the day, plus your intra-workout. So, all right, time to dig in. I am starving. Weight this morning was 251.8. So again, my weights were pretty low. I think our money spot is going to be like 253. Stepping on stage, I feel like that will be a nice look of dry and full. But we'll just keep you guys updated on what I really am when I get to the stage. So it's going to be interesting the next 2 days of adding in a little bit more food, and but nothing too crazy. We're not going crazy. We're just increasing by like small percentages, and so that way we're able to make changes and adjustments accordingly to the look. So nothing kamikaze, nothing crazy, just calculated. All right, guys, let's dig in.
Get the baby spoon there.
Yeah, why not? Already? Whatever. Zucchini's good. Alright guys, so that was a little bit of a different video, guys. I'm going to start doing this just like short videos with like actual like the titles of the videos, exactly what is in the videos, what you're going to get. So I've been doing vlog style videos for a really long time day in the life. Let me know if you guys still love those videos. But I think what I want to do is more targeted videos, so you actually, what you're clicking on is exactly what you're getting. Because usually, like when you see, full day of eating, well, okay, yeah, I have a full day of eating in there, but I also have like a chest workout, a massage, going to the grocery store, all sorts of things. So maybe you don't click that video because maybe you're not interested in, the full day of eating, and then you miss some of the other content. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Breakfast of Champions, 2 days out from the Mr. Olympia contest, and lots more videos to come. I'm gonna head out right now, and we're gonna go get a haircut. I'm gonna film that too. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, and turn on the notification bell so you see the videos that are dropping daily on my YouTube channel. Thanks.
Rise up, we gon' make it out, gotta rise up, tick, 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 time's up, rise up, stay ready so that nothing can surprise us.